celebrate the Dia de los Negros, a vibrant part of the Carnaval de Negros y Blancos in Pasto, Colombia. This day honors Afro-Colombian culture with historical roots dating back to the colonial period. Enslaved and free Afro-Colombians celebrated their cultural traditions, a tradition that continues today with face painting, music, and dance. Participants paint their faces black, symbolizing unity and solidarity. The streets come alive with Afro-Colombian rhythms like cumbia, vibrant parades, and colorful costumes. The community joins in, celebrating and honoring Afro-Colombian heritage. The Dia de los Negros is more than a festival. It's a powerful symbol of resistance, resilience, and cultural pride. It fosters unity, breaks down social barriers, and preserves Afro-Colombian traditions for future generations. Dive into the joy and spirit of this unique celebration and stay tuned for more Colombian cultural wonders.